Hi there. Today we're going to discuss solving two-step equations. A two-step equation is an equation that has two different operations. To solve a two-step equation, you have to undo the operations in reverse order of the order of operations. So the first thing we're going to do is undo the addition or subtraction of the constant first. Remember, a constant's just a number. And the second thing is we're going to undo the multiplication or division. So here's our first example. 2x plus 3 equals 9. This is a two-step equation because we have multiplication of the x and then the addition of the 3. So our first step is to undo the addition or subtraction of the constant first. The constant is the number 3 and it's being added by 3. So the inverse or the opposite would be to subtract 3 on both sides of the equation. So my plus 3 minus 3 zeroes out, and I'm left with just 2x on the left, and on the right, 9 minus 3 is 6. So now I have a one-step multiplication equation, and x is being multiplied by 2, so to undo that, we would divide by 2 on both sides of the equation, and 2 divided by 2 divides out to 1, so I'm left with just x on the left, and then 6 divided by 2 is 3. Our last step is to always make sure we check our work. So we take our original equation and we write it down. And then what we'll do is we'll substitute the answer we got. We got 3 for that. So I'm going to see if my left side will equal my right side. Well, 2 times 3 is 6. And then I'm going to write down the rest of the equation. And then, so 6 plus 3 is 9. My left side equaled my right side, so my solution of 3 is correct. Here's our last example. We have 3 plus 4x equals 9. Again, this is a two-step equation because there are two steps. There's an addition of 3 and there's a multiplication of 4. So I do want to undo the addition or subtraction of the constant. The constant is the 3. So I'm going to subtract 3 on both sides of the equation. My 3 minus 3 zeroes out, and I'm left with 4x on the left, and 19 minus 3 is 16. So now I'm left with a one-step equation of 4x equals 16, and to undo the multiplication of 4, I'm going to divide by 4 on both sides of the equation. 4 divided by 4 is 1, so I'm left with x. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Again, last step as always, do your check. Write your original equation down. Okay, now all we do is we're going to substitute the answer we got. We got 4. And we're going to see if the left side equals the right side. So first I'm going to do my multiplication. And then, so 3 plus 16 is 19. My left side equaled my right side, so my solution of 4 was correct. Hope that video is helpful. Thank you. Bye.